Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So today I will be dealing with the finish of the neck. And in today's episode, I will show you how to get a satin look on a true oil finish. Let's roll the intro and we can begin. So here I have my neck, and as you can see from the shine already has finished. It has even the fretboard. It has around nine I believe, coats of true oil. Now if you follow me and my channel, you know that when it comes to true oil finish, I like to go with 11 coats or more. But since this neck I'm going for that satin look, 9 coats are well enough. Basically the process is the same as my other tutorial. Prepare the neck, sand it down with 400 grit sandpaper and apply 3 coats, and then sanding, apply 3 coats, sanding again, and apply 3 other coats. If you're not in a hurry, you can still sand between each coat. When it comes to sanding, I like to use 4O steel wool. Now some of you will prefer to use a high grade automotive sandpaper. I tried that, but I still prefer steel wool rather than sandpaper. No method is the perfect method. Everyone has his own preferences. Now basically, at this stage, what we need to do is to buff the shine off. And that is how to get the satin look. Now you may think, why 9 coats? Why not 4 or 5? Since you're going to buff, since you don't have a shine. Still, 9 coats you have quite a build-up of finish. With true oil, the more the better. I prefer steel wool because steel wool easily takes shape of the contour of the neck. That's why I just prefer the steel wool from sandpaper. Now, if you can see the difference, this is glossy and this is a satin look. Basically, just rubbing the neck down until you remove all the shiny spots. A little note regarding oiling the fretboard, with true oil in this case. When you apply true oil with the rag, I prefer it's a light coat. First, I start with the fretboard rather than start with the rest of the neck, and then I have the rack fully soaked with true oil. It will be too much for the fretboard, especially for the frets, because you don't need to to leave residual oil resting along the fret, because if there if there will be a buildup of oil along the fret, it will be a big pain in the ass to remove it. So that's why I like to start from the fretboard using a light coat. Make sure I wrap good, and then I proceed with the rest of the neck. I want to point out something. I didn't come up with this method myself. I saw a tutorial on this method on YouTube. Maybe some guys of you knows about Fletcher guitars, and I've been using that system every time I wanted to do a satin finish. And it's a quite easy method. I will leave a link to that particular video. So I will continue to buff the neck off camera. You don't need to watch me buff all the neck again. So guys, I thank you very much for your all support and for your lovely comments. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever I release a new video. And I hope you liked it and enjoyed it and learned something from it. And until the next time, take care and goodbye.